This video is different. In this video, I will show how to create animated background like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Using same technique, I created this background and used in my quiz channel. Let's get started. You would need Canva Pro subscription for this. I have given a link in description from where you can buy the Pro subscription. Canva deserve it. Open Canva and create a new video. Choose any background you like. I am choosing this orange one. Set it as background. Next, go to Element and search for the star. You can use any shape you want. Change the fill to white and reduce transparency. Just click on plus icon to create copy of it. Repeat same process to create required number of copies and adjust those. Now, select all and create a group. Click plus icon to create a copy of group. Repeat same process group and duplicate and adjust all shapes on page properly. Increase page size and go to first position. Select entire shape and click Animate button to open Animate toolbar. Click on Create an Animation button. Hold Shift button and drag the shape from downward to upward position to create animation. Make sure it is straight line. Choose Movement Style Steady, reduce speed and click Done button. Your animated background is ready. Just hit Play button to see result.